Hello everyone. So today is Friday, 24th of February. So it's a new contract, March contract, which has begun. But at the same time, the major bearish move is done for this particular week. Now what we are expecting is a smaller bullish retracement, and it will be interesting, prudent to see how far this bullish retracement takes us. So as you can see on a Nifty as well as Bank Nifty chart, that few important targets which are completed as per the daily chart, as per the daily targets that we had plotted. And right now we are trading at 17,511, which is very close to, we have completed a target of 17,471 for Nifty, which is our first target. There is still a target of 17,086 which is pending. And for Bank Nifty, the target of 40,850 as well as 39,982, both these targets are completed. Now Bank Nifty structure or chart looks more towards bullish inclination. So let us go to individual chart and try to identify how we should look at today's trading session to complete this week, and also what should be our expectation in the coming days. We'll keep this video brief because as it is, we are going to talk about the coming week's expectation in the Market Kya Lagta Hai weekly episode, probably today evening or tomorrow first half. Now, as per hourly chart of Market Kya Lagta Hai Nifty Analysis chart, we have completed this target of 17,815, 17,730, 17,631, and also a target of 17,478. So all these targets are completed, and 17,800 was a very important, crucial support. Once it was taken out during the gap down opening, then it was a very quick kind of a fall. Now, in today's day, I am again expecting that the price might keep on lingering around this zone, trying to create some kind of a base formation, and eventually, if we get a low of the day somewhere around this level, 17,478 or 17,450 odd level. So from those levels, we should see some steady bounce, but the probability of a new low cannot be ruled out. It is also possible that we might linger around this zone for some while, because see guys, at this point in time, the buyers are not very aggressive. The pressure is a lot on the selling direction, so that there has to be a clear winner which is emerging, and then and only then we'll be able to take the price towards the higher direction. So we are at the lower level of the range. I'm not going to change the range as of now. So range remains 17,500 to 18,000, and from these levels we might see some kind of a bounce in this day. Now this bounce can be limited to the opening of 22nd February. So the candle that was formed on 22nd February is going to play a very crucial role, very important role, because it opened with a gap down and it showed us a clear bearish kind of a mandate. So in today's day, two things which I have specifically mentioned. Number one, we might pierce through this 17,478 or 17,450 once, and then we should start inching towards bullish direction, bullish move, and we may not likely to reach to 17,760 as yet, as in today itself, but eventually in a day or two we should be headed towards these levels, is what my expectation is. If we take a look at the Bank Nifty chart, Bank Nifty also completed all those bearish targets, a target of 40,584, a second target of 40,207, and a third target of 39,792. All these targets are completed, and from these levels it is in a way consolidating, preparing for some bullish move. So that bullish move can be there, and it can be in the form up till 40,500 odd level. This is what the expectation is. Now when I'm looking at these bullish targets, one thing is pretty certain in my mind, that these targets do not carry a greater risk to reward ratio. I mean, the reward is not as promising as it should have been. So I'm going to let this bullish action go. I'm not going to trade this bullish action. I'm going to wait for it to settle around some level, some important Fibonacci level, and then accordingly let us look at the next week's perspective. It is not at all necessary that you should fight every battle that is thrown in your direction. You have to choose your battles wisely. So this bullish move, I will let go because at this point in time, I don't see any aggressive bullish movement is going to happen. So whatever is happening right now can be a small bullish retracement of the entire bearish trend. So it's wise. I feel it is wise to let this action go. Let's wait, observe more prudently without any directional bias, and then accordingly we can decide maybe in today evening's market collector video that what should be our plan of action for the next week should be, right? So these are the things, these are the smaller bits which will keep on helping us to stay in the right direction of the trade, and this will be a much needed break. We don't need to trade every day, and we should trade only a high rewarding scenario or better rewarding trades. So as I have shared with you yesterday, there was no trade, no orders placed from my account. Even today, I'm not planning to place any orders because there is no uh, better rewarding situation in front of me right now. At this point in time, if you see, all the call premiums they have eroded like anything. So there has to be some balance which has to be created. So a bounce will give us better premium for calls so that we will be able to short them if we get an opportunity at a later stage. So this is how I'm looking at it. No trades going on right now. There are no strategies to discuss, but the most important thing is your Rithik stocks. So if you can see, 7 Rithik stocks out of 8 are below their respective daily 50 MA. Now at this point in time, one important part that comes into my mind is that if at all there is a bounce in case of Reliance, if at all there is a bounce in case of ICICI Bank or maybe HDFC Limited or HDFC Bank, the bounce is going to be limited to their 50 EMA. It is not going to be a euphoric kind of a bounce. Reliance, the monthly structure is bearish, so there is no reason for us to be excessively bullish on these stocks. So you just have to be observant, and the bullishness can be considered only and only when the majority of the stocks will cross this daily 50 EMA. So far, it is going as per the plan, as per the expectation, and in coming week, I am expecting even the TCS has to be below the 50 EMA on a daily chart. The rest, all the stocks will eventually be below 50 EMA. So it is just a matter of few days now, and we'll observe, we'll wait and observe these days carefully. So comfortably, we have to ensure that we are on the right direction, right? Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have liked this video, do share with your like-minded friends and also subscribe to our channel Growth Model. Thank you so much. I'm signing off. Bye bye.